I'm going to show you how to make the perfect espresso martini with that signature creamy foam on top. Everyone always wants to know, how do you get the froth? How do you make the perfect espresso martini? This is exactly how you do it. Step 1, grab yourself a glass. Now the key here is to serve this freezing cold. So to do that, we're going to fill our glass with ice like so. What that's going to do is just chill the glass. That is the secret. Serve a cold drink in a cold glass. It's going to be perfect. Now this is shaken cocktail, so grab yourself a cocktail shaker. Into that, we're going to pour 40 milliliters of vodka. Any vodka will do, whatever your preference is. I've just got a cheap one here, it works perfectly fine. Second, we're going to go in with some coffee liqueur. You want to go in 20 milliliters of coffee liqueur. Kahlua, Tea Maria, these are the popular choices. I've got this coconut one, but that's just preference of mine. Use whatever you want. Alright, next into that, we're going to use a splash of sugar syrup. This is going to help sweeten it, it's going to help balance it out. So pour yourself 15 milliliters of sugar syrup. Lastly, it is the coffee, the most important part of the espresso martini, the most important part of getting that foam. You see, when you use fresh coffee like this, you get that little crema on top right there. That is going to help us with the foam. The fresher the espresso, the better the espresso martini. You don't want to use cold brew. You don't want to use instant coffee. You want the freshest espresso possible, which you can do at home. Alright, we'll go in 30 milliliters of that espresso. Then all we've got to do is fill our cocktail shaker with ice, pour that in and give it a good hard shake. Here's secret number, 2, 3, I think we're on now, of getting the perfect espresso martini, just giving it a good hard shake. You really want to emulsify it, you really want to froth it up. Grab your glass from before, remember all that ice? Yep, dump it out. Now look at that, you got a freezing cold, perfect glass. One more shake here for good luck, then all we got to do is fine strain it. Use 2 strainers, cork form strainer and a fine strainer, and pour that out. And as you can see, you will get that creaminess, you'll get the perfect espresso martini, which you can do from home. I'm in a bar now, but this is my home bar. I'm doing this from home, you can do from home. All that's left is to garnish it, and we're going to do so with the signature garnish, which is 3 coffee beans. 1 for wealth, going in, 1 for health, and a final one for happiness. Look at that, there you have it, that right there. That is the perfect espresso martini. Look at that foam, beautiful, thick, creamy foam. We got 2 layers. We got a layer of white pillowness and a layer of espresso martini. Boom, boom, perfect. That's how it should look. That's how you want it. Enjoy.